Hey guys, Crazy Pyro 88 here. I'm coming to you with a test fire on the American Soul assortment. I'm sorry I launched one off. It wasn't a very great cake. As a matter of fact, it chased me up the driveway. Anyways, I'm going to shoot these off in here so you guys know what they do. So just bear with me here for a second. We're going to test fire the American Soul. First one up. I believe this is a fountain. It is Empire State. Let's see what it does. It's one of those little fountains that are very deceiving. Only lasts a few seconds. Little tube, big cylinder. I wanted to bring this unboxing to you for a while because I haven't had a chance to shoot a whole lot of them out in the city. So we're gonna fire this box off for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. This one's called the Gold Radiator. Very lightweight. Let's see what it does. Here we go, Gold Radiator. Oh, that was kind of quick and a little unexpected. All right, shock attack. Shock attack, 9 shots. Let me find the fuse here. It might be up top. Oh no, oh, there it is. This one's probably going to jump all around. Put that there to kind of brace it. I never have any luck with these cakes because every time I get them, they go everywhere else but in the air. That was actually really cool. It had a spin effect on it. Alright, next up, probably another fountain. Twitter Glitter. This is a cheapy filler that they put in a lot of sets. Y'all know what this does, but we're going to light it anyways. This is the 4th of July, and I just love lighting fireworks. I think it does go in the air, I ain't sure. And, well, that's Twitter Glitter by Magnus. I think it's kind of... Oh. I don't know how your thoughts on that is. I never really classified it as a great cake. And we're going to launch another shark attack. Make these damn fuses so hard to get off here. There goes another shock attack. Not a bad deal. I paid $102 for this set. I recommend it. If you want a good budget set for the family, it's really not a bad set. And that's pretty much it. It's a good family set. It has a good, decent variety, as you can see. Some are just repeats. But it does have real ball shells in it, so I think it's kind of worth the money. I mean, some people may not think so. It's actually got a decent sized break for being such a small cake. Pretty impressive with that. Alright, we're gonna pull Street Fight out now. This one's got some weight to it. Sorry guys, like I said, I should have pulled these fuses before I even started this. Alright, here we go, street fight. Oh, last one was Commando Jack. Street fight. Let's see what she does. Not bad. Kind of a crappy break. It's definitely not bad. Oh, it flipped. Oh, I thought it was gonna do it. That's street fight. Apple Jacks. 36 shot. We all know what this is. It's just a happy, basically. We're gonna launch it off though. We all know what they do. Little, I don't know, it's a filler product usually, but this one's got some weight on it. It might be a little bit different. We'll see. Not bad. I like how it pans out. Is that it? Well, that's a happy by Magnus. It's probably one of the better ones I've ever seen. So that I'm gonna have to definitely pick up. But we got a little 16 shot, the same one. As you guys can see, Mag Value brand. I believe these are the cheaper brands, but it is what it is. Like I said, today's world, the way things have been, cheap ain't always a bad thing. It's better than nothing sometimes. I don't like how it stops like that. Being some version of a happy, definitely a good firework. It's pretty decent. Alright, here's Desert Strike by you guys. Mag Value brand again. I'm gonna see what this is about. This looks very unstable actually. I don't even see a fuse on it. I think it's right there. I don't know why the hell it shoots flaming balls. It's weird because when it shoots flaming balls, they're usually on the sides. But this one, for some reason, isn't. It's on the top. So I'm going to assume it's probably a fountain, too. We're going to check it out. Don't mind those guys in the back. We just having a good old time with the cookout. It is a fountain.
Are you retarded? There is a fire down there.
Yeah, it's just an old shell. Leave it be. Don't go near it. Because if that's a dud, it'll blow up. Don't do that. Just take the fire extinguisher down and hit it. Sorry about that, guys. Number one rule when you're launching fireworks off, you just gotta make sure you always have a fire extinguisher on hand. I'll show you guys why in a minute. Grab me my fire extinguisher. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the reason why you should have fire safety when you're messing with fireworks. This right here, sorry for the break in the set.
I got one too.
Here, you gotta know how to do it. You gotta know how to do it. Fire safety is always important when you have firework displays. This is why. Sorry about the break in the set, guys. It's one of these things. You pick these up pretty cheap anywhere you want. You should always have one in any firework display. Since I'm down here, I'm just checking out some mortar tubes, seeing if I missed any. Anyways, back to the assortment. Sorry about that, guys. Let me head back to the unboxing. We're almost through it. Alright. Here we go. Back to the unboxing. Missile battery mag value. Yeah, I can't stress enough when you're out in the field, especially on a night like this when it's dry, to always have some kind of fire safety around you, because the first time you're not paying attention might be the last thing that ever happens. You can cause a massive mag value missile battery. Pretty standard. We all know what these do. All right, we're getting to the ends. We're gonna start dropping some ball shells. I don't normally use these cardboard tubes that come with these, but since all my racks are kind of in use at the current moment, we're gonna pound out a few of these. I want you guys to be able to see these. This one here is the Premium Artillery by Mag Value. Here we go. Not bad for a good ball shell. We'll do a couple more of these. You guys get the ideas of ball shells. These ones are just standard. It's nothing major. For the most part, they all look like they had the same effects. I haven't ran into one yet that's different. They're kind of a little disappointing, but for a budget set, you can't really complain. So, you know, I'm all right having some ball shells. I'm actually having a lot of fun doing this, so I'm gonna fire them all up. This ain't part of the set, but just because, you know, change your pace. We're gonna fire one anyways, because I'm definitely not against having some of these new boys put in the shell, these little sawed-offs. This could be like a 1-inch mortar shell in there or something. They're baby cans. Here's a sawed-off. Special feature for my YouTube followers. God damn, them are big. Them being so short, it's crazy to me. I do have a few more I'm going to show you guys tonight. I got some 1.5 inches. I don't really fire them because I don't have any tube racks for them. I just got tubes for them, so we're going to shoot off a few of them tonight. Here we go, now ball shell. Well, I had a little bit of a different color. We're going to fire the last two of these. We're going to shoot that last Commando Jack off. And that pretty much sums up the American Soul firework assortment by Magnus Fireworks. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a decent set. I don't have no issues with it. It's turned out to be quite a bit of fun. Honestly, if my kids were a little older, I'd probably allow them to have this set. And once you've seen the one mag value show, I'm pretty sure you're pretty that's about it for that tube. It's an old cardboard. At least that one has some blue in it. They all look pretty much the same to me. All right, guys, that's the American Soul. Like I said, I'm gonna fire this last one for you. And I can start doing some cleanup, but I'm gonna fire some other ones just because I want you guys to see them. They're 1.5s. I want to see what kind of review. I don't usually use 1.5s. They use 1.75. So. Commando Jack. And that sums up the American Soul Firework Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. And that sums up the American Soul Fireworks Assortment by Magnus Fireworks. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's the code thing if you guys want to scan it. It's a pretty sweet set and I highly recommend it. I mean, I wish the ball shells were a little bit better, but hey, they're going to do what they can do. All right, guys, catch you later. This is Crazy Pyro 88, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, you like what you see. I got a lot more other stuff that I do, and I'm going to bring to this channel too. So just let me know. All right, subscribe and like. Thanks. Catch you guys later.